on the right ship.
Well, there it goes.
Or on the wrong
Another
ship.
fun day
So she
at the
lost her
pool.
freaking
All right, babe, where are we going?
We're going to the Diamond Brunch for Diamond members to come and meet the cast and have a meet and greet lunch. So we're excited for it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know what the best part is?
it's free.
Free drinks.
Yeah, it's free. We're gonna have a good time. We'll show you what all it's like when we get in there.
All right, see ya.
This is what I like to see. How gorgeous. I should have brought my cat back. Bucket! Bucket, bucket, bucket. He did. Well, I want to welcome all of our diamonds in 4 hours around the clock to ensure your guest service needs are met. Your guest service manager, Joan. Now, next up, the man putting that top quality entertainment together for you, keeping it all cruise long. Please give a huge round of applause to your entertainment director, Jai. Only the best captain on the 7 seas, but he's one of the coolest people you are ever going to meet. Please give it up for your captain, the captain of the Paradise, Captain McGarry.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very honored to have you on board the Carnival Paradise. Let's have a nice round of applause for the senior officer over here that really bringing the happiness on board.
Terry ended up getting a tossed salad, turned into a Caesar salad. Max got nothing. Oh, and she got a
Lemon drop.
lemon drop.
Martini.
And I got a Caesar salad too.
I think I like it.
Terry got the filet mignon. I got grilled shrimp.
Definitely low roll.
And, oh, shocker. I got red meat. Terry got the chocolate cake.
He gets a lot of
I got the chocolate cake.
it.
It's 1:30 on a sea day. Do you know where all your friends are? Here I am with Steve. Steve's got a story to tell you. What happened, Steve?
So I swore I would never go cruising. Had no desire to do it. My sister gets married on this ship, and I had to do my research. And these guys here, Party of 2 Cruising, are the authority
I didn't tell him that.
on the Paradise. So I did all my research. Felt like I had been on this ship before the first time I stepped foot. And now, within a little over a year, we will turn as gold members in Carnival on the Paradise.
Steve, it's very addicting. Very addicting.
You guys are awesome. We love your channel. And I recommend it to everybody on Facebook that has questions about the Paradise. Party of 2 Cruising! Party of 2 Cruising is #1.
This is our home away from home.
It is. It is.
Well, thank you, buddy. And don't forget to hit that. I'm sure you have.
That's right. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button.
You think I don't even have to do it anymore.
Comment, like, follow, share, all the things.
All right, Brad. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Where we going?
Not a big deal, but I mean.
Why didn't you say it? Why didn't you say we're not going anywhere? We're already here.
We're with our great friends. Take a picture of all our friends at this table, please.
All right, I will. Anyway, so we're at dinner. We'll bring it all to you.
Yeah. Here we go.
Big table.
Say hi to all our friends.
Thank you for watching Party 2 Cruising.
Party of 2!
Hi, Tampa. We love you. Party of 2 Cruising. Like hey, Party of 2.
Party of 2 Cruising. Like subscribe, share.
Where it began, I can't begin to notice. I didn't know what's going on.
See him?
Good song.
Hi.
Great song.
Was in the spring,
believe you can.
Mary Joy.
Oh, sorry.
Touching you. Sweet Caroline. Ba, ba, ba. 'Cause I've never seen so good. So good, so good, so good.
I like it. Mushroom soup. Terry got salad.
I feel good tonight.
What is that?
I gotta go fund me over.
Terry. All right, my second appetizer, Caesar salad. Terry's still working on her salad. Look at all these. Oh, those are pork tart. Those are pretty good looking. Spaghetti carbonara over there. We got soup over there. We got everything. We've ordered one of everything. Terry got the prime rib, a little medium rare, baked potato, and I got the spaghetti carbonara. Oh, that RJ had to go ahead and get from the steakhouse the filet mignon and grilled shrimp. And they all got nothing.
Prime rib.
Prime rib, look out, oh my God, Daryl. That thing's moving.
Yes, I love it.
All right, I got a banana split. Terry got the warm chocolate melting cake with ice cream and peanut butter.
Carnival Paradise, are you ready for this party? Come on!
Now,
This is Gina. I'm from Orlando, Florida.
Gina the Diva, Orlando, Florida. And what is your name, my friend, and where are you from?
My name's Colleen, and I'm from New York.
Colleen from Queen. And again, work it up, give it, drop it like it's hot. Paradise, got those hands. Ladies, divas, divas. Lovers in the house. Okay, Diva. Ready? I need you to start. Stay here with me. We're gonna walk it out. Walk it out. Walk it out. Like you're strutting down the runway. Now let me see what you got. Oh, let's dance for Diva up here. Coming up on her own. A real diva just comes up to the stage. Cause I said stay down there. That's what I'm talking about, Diva. Making the room. I love it. You ready, Paradise? I gotta hear everybody sing. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody. What? Lover better than Jack, Johnny, Jimmy, Tato, all my friends. Give it up for our demons up here. Make sure that you come
Where are we going?
Yes.
Where are we going?
We're doing a comedy show and we've been having lots of fun on this trip. Let's go, baby.
We're going to comedy.
Kiss me.
We're already at comedy. It's been a busy day. It's still going on.
Punchliner Comedy Club. Now, please give it up for your comedy club host, Caitlin.